This method allows the classification overlap, so the total number of items in the all categories may exceed the total number of items in the training set. Aiming at the mining model results, the instructions to support the scores can be adjusted accordingly in order to illustrate this situation. Compared to the traditional clustering algorithms, the algorithm has several merits. The algorithm is better than the sampling algorithm with 4-type. The algorithm has better efficiency in working, which scans the database only once. There is little influence in executing the algorithm. In brief, the algorithm includes 2 steps as follows. Step 1. Estimation. Step 2. Maximization. Suppose existing sample, n greater than 0, which come from Gaussian mixture distribution. Each distribution is mutually independent. The parameter of Gaussian mixture distribution can be estimated to determine the mean value, variance, prior probability of each distribution. The probability density function can be described as follows. Therein x is observed data vector, mu is the corresponding data mean. And j is the different data object, meets the variance. The priori probability meets. The maximum likelihood estimation is expressed as follows. Suppose theta j equals uj, j, pi j, is the parameter of the JTH Gaussian mixture distribution, and the parameter space to be estimated can be described as follows. The probability formula of sample size. Continuously make the steps of iterative estimation and maximization, and compute repeatedly the above-mentioned 3 parameters until Lx vertical bar s, meets the condition of no significant increase again. An ideographic example on land utilization and land cover, which happened in a certain region of Guizhou province, can be used to describe how to create a mining model. Land utilization and land cover are the most prominent landscape signs in the Earth's surface system. Land utilization is a process of making natural state of the land into the one of artificial ecosystems. And the latter represents objective existence of the Earth's surface with specific spatial and temporal attributes. Generally, land types can be identified indirectly according to combination of land cover and structure. The created data mining model can be described as follows in Figure 11. Data mining based on clustering. As shown in Figure 11, the original data set is divided into 3 categories. Therein C6, C8, C12 represent respectively land cover type of lush shrubbery, flourish grassland and cropland. The 3 land cover types account for the vast majority of the total number of all types. The amount is about 96.15%. Simultaneously, other land cover types had little proportion and can be almost negligible. In-depth analysis to cluster 1 node can be made. As shown in Figure 12, in this category, most of land cover types are C6 and C8. The proportion is about 95.51%. That is, the type of land cover in this region is basically shrubbery and grassland. It is more suitable for the development of animal husbandry in a view of economic factor. Click the node feature set use code, the data in the table can be changed accordingly. As shown in Figure 13, all the land utilization type appeared in the cluster 1 node as U10, which represents the forest. By adopting similar steps, corresponding results can be shown in the whole region included by cluster 1 node. For example, the average slope and aspect are respectively 12.51, 184.22 degree. Based on these analyses, users can find out which types of vegetation are suitable for being cultivated in this region by using related knowledge in a macroscopic view. Besides, light conditions may also be considered to improve the development of vegetation. Therefore, feasible service information can be provided to promote economic development in the region. The dominant type of land utilization. The single type of land utilization. Similarly, analysis to node cluster 2 or cluster 3 is analogous to the node cluster 1. In another view, distribution information in the whole categories can be found in accordance with node feature set characteristics on the contrary. Likewise, the distribution of other node feature sets characteristics is similar to the above-mentioned instance. As shown in Figure 14, it represents the type of land cover of C6. In Figure 14, the most part of land cover type C6 belongs to the code cluster 1. And if the land cover type is switched from C6 to C12, the most part of land cover type C12 will belong to the code cluster 2, the proportion of which is about 97.7%. The distribution character of other node feature set is similar to the above mentioned part.